Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix months showing up without data in a scatter chart. So let's say you're trying to create a line chart with this data here. So I have in column A I have the months and in column B I have the number of sites. So in this case remote sites, let's say. So what you would do in this case is select the data, go to recommended charts, and you might choose this scatter chart. The problem with this is that, or you can select this as well. The problem with this is that it's not going to show the number of, the data for Feb. And to fix this, you need to just select text here. But let's say you don't like this chart. So you go here again and select this because it's got markers per month. But the problem with this is that it's going to give you the months. Let's say, in this case, it's giving me the non-2023 month, which doesn't have data. So, and the line here doesn't really align to Feb, right? So, not really a good chart in this case. So to fix this, you just have to go to recommended charts again and go to all charts and select line and select this line with markers. And it's not showing the Jan 2023. So to fix, to show the data for Feb 2024, right click on the access section, click format access and select this text access. And it will give you the data for Feb 2024 as well. So that's how you fix the issue where months are showing up without data in its scatter charts. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you in the next one.